to the vlog. Anyway, I just jumped on here. I'm on my camera. My camera audio sucked, by the way. I'm about to meal prep my husband's lunch for the week, and I'm probably gonna jump back on my phone to record that, and it probably will be a speed clip because I got so much stuff to do. I haven't did nothing today. It has been one of those days where I haven't did nothing productive. Okay, I don't know, and I hate having days like that. Like, I hate having those moments where you just get so lazy, and I think it's because I do so much that, girl, I don't be having days. I don't feel like doing nothing, and it was one of those days. So I'm about to start meal prepping and cooking dinner at the same time.
You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break.
I'm gonna broil the salmon, so I'm just gonna go ahead, if I can work my stove. But I'm gonna go ahead and let that heat up. In the meantime, in between time, I'm gonna go ahead and put these potatoes into my pots. I'm gonna go ahead, drop those in there, let those boil and do what they're gonna do. And I'm probably gonna speed this next clip too, because I'm about to cook dinner for my children. But this is for my husband and I lunch, meal prep lunch. Or we might have it tonight, I don't know. But yeah, y'all see.
You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
You guys, I'm sorry I did not end the vlog on this day, but we all ate, called it a night, chilled, and went to sleep. Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. We are up. You already. I'm about to do the girls' hair, and we're gonna get this day started. So I have a lot of stuff to do today. I need to clean up. I don't know if I'm gonna record it as a cleaning video. I might just put it in this vlog. It's nothing like. I need to straighten up my room, make up the bed, fold some laundry. Y'all know the drill. But I don't think it's footage long enough to be a cleaning vlog. So we're just gonna go ahead and get this day started.
Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you.
Okay guys, so I'm done with the little ones here, as you can see. But they are getting some breakfast in. We having something really simple, just some cold cereal. You guys, I'm sorry if this camera is shaking. I'm not good at this, okay? I'm trying. But while they get some breakfast done, in a little bit I'm gonna wake up my little one and let him get started on his little lesson plan, because it is Tuesday. He doesn't, my other children don't have school on Monday, but the other two little ones, they do have class. So I kind of just let him sleep in to about 8:30, and then I get him started on his lesson plan. And then I have some things that I need to do today too. I need to film for my I'm about to say I need to film for my YouTube channel, like it's not going on YouTube. So I need to film a couple of videos for YouTube, and I need to work on my block schedule. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that, if I'm gonna work on my block schedule first or film first. But I'm gonna be filming in the same room that the girls are in doing their lessons. So everything, we do lessons and Zoom and class in the kitchen, and I will be there. And my daughter's acting like a goofball. Girl, she always be doing something silly. But I will see you guys in the next clip. I'm gonna go ahead and get, ooh, what did my voice just do? But I'm gonna go ahead and get going and doing what I have to do. Find your backpacks, make your way to the table. All right, y'all, I will see y'all in that clip. I have to go and make sure everybody's doing what they need to be doing. Okay, guys, I'm all ready. I'm about to film my, oh, excuse me. I'm about to film my DIY video for the following week, and then I'm gonna get some pictures for Instagram. I'm about to set up, I have my ring light. I don't know if I'm gonna use 2 soft boxes or 1, and then the dumpster truck is outside below my window. So I'm just gonna hurry up and go and film that so I can be done for the day, because after that, the vlog may end for today. Okay guys, so I'm done finishing one of the DIYs. I am gonna go ahead and clean this stuff up. And then I have to make up my bed. I'm gonna get the kids some lunch in because they're hungry. And yeah, and after I clean up, I'm gonna clean up, start dinner, probably fold some laundry, and then I'm gonna end this vlog for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
You always make me feel like home, yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take. The love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but
hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So it is way past morning. Since the clips that you seen last, we ate, had lunch, did the girls' hair. Thought we was gonna go outside, but we're not. Wants to go to Trader Joe's today, so got everybody ready, and I don't know, we probably go to Target. Gonna be having a movie night, and I'm gonna make nachos. Right now I'm trying to tidy up the kitchen, and then maybe we can get out. He is so goofy, and I'm keeping that in the vlog.
No.
I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
He dishwashing because
I'm blocking it. I'm blocking it.
okay. Yeah, leave him alone. Jeez. Alright guys, we are in Target. This whole time I wasn't recording nothing, thinking I pressed the record button. Won't record nothing. So you might see this clip and you might not, because all the good stuff we didn't even record. That the kids just naturally being themselves in the store, we did not record. So
hi guys. I have one in it.
okay. You got a Ryanair. Just put out in the YouTube fan bam face that you got a Ryanair. Okay. You love that Ryanair?
Tomorrow he's gonna hatch you.
He's gonna hatch?
Yeah.
All right.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take.
I gotta pop the popcorn. But here's everybody a little tray. Me and hubby are going to share. And we have some, what is those chips called? Tostitos, and it's the lime ones. And there's everybody little tray. So I'm gonna make the popcorn, and then we're gonna have our movie night, guys. I got these trays off of Amazon, and it was a pack. I think they were like $20 or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the popcorn, and the popcorn little things came from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the popcorn so we can have our little movie night. So excited. Thank you, my YouTube fam bam, for tuning in to our vlog. A lot of the footage I had to cut out because my little one was in his underwear. So we had our movie night. We watched Dora. It was a really cute little movie. I will catch you in my next one.